This video is on the solar eclipse which was occurred in 26th December 2019. The Physics Department of Cochin University made all the arrangements to view the same. Balasangham Area's Committee of Kalamassery organized the children and made it possible for them to view the eclipse. The solar eclipse was observed on 26th December from 8 am to 11:30 am in Kochi. The sun filter made of black polymer was distributed at the venue. This film reduces the light intensity to 1 in 1 lakh. The orange filter transmits only the orange color or wavelength and absorbs all the rest. Hence, as we look sun through the filter, it appears orange. In the video we see Dr. N. Shaji, who is now working as ad hoc professor at Cochin University. He was retired as professor from Maharajas College, Ernakulam. Professor Titus from Physics Department and the research student Adul were also there in leadership roles to organize these arrangements to view the eclipse. Sun, moon and earth happens to be in a straight line, and if moon is in between sun and earth, the moon cuts off the light from sun and then solar eclipse is resulted in. The telescope is being shown now. Telescope focuses sun on the screen. The screen is kept inside a box. The box avoids stray light from outside so that the image of the sun is very clear. Why it is advised that we should take care of not to look into the sun at the time of solar eclipse? Normally, we cannot look into the sun directly due to the high intensity of visible light. At the time of solar eclipse, the intensity of visible light reaching our eyes is highly reduced. So we can look into the sun directly. But the high frequency radiations of ultraviolet light do not fail to reach our eyes. So we should avoid looking into the sun directly because the UV rays are harmful to our eyes and it may cause the destruction of the eyesight. The breakfast was served there for the children on the occasion. The belief that during eclipse it is not advisable to go out and to have food at that time is wrong. This scientific spirit is to be inculcated among children, and this was one of the motivation behind this venture. From Umbra, all the sunlight is cut off by the moon. In this region, total eclipse is observed. But in the region around Umbra, there is region of penumbra, where partial eclipse is observed. And in that region, light from sun is not fully obstructed by the moon. As the moon blocks the light from this inner region of sun, we can see clearly the sun atmosphere, the outermost region of sun, which is known as corona. Total solar eclipse and partial eclipses are shown in figure. Moon's orbit around the Earth is inclined by an angle of 5 degrees to the orbit of Earth around the Sun. If the observing place is in straight line and not inclined, the total eclipse is observed. As the moon moves away, the sun becomes partially visible and partial eclipse is visible. The solar eclipse days in the coming years are shown in figure. According to this, next annular solar eclipse is on 21st June 2020. The total solar eclipse will be visible on 14th December 2020. The next scenes are on the formal inauguration of the event. The former Vice Chancellor of Cochin University, Professor K. Babu Joseph, inaugurated the session formally. You can see him as being seated on the dais. He was also the former head of the Department of Physics at Cochin University. The film through which the solar eclipse is to be observed is distributed for the participants. Now we can see the partial eclipse. Dr. Shobhan Sir, retired professor from Maharajas College, is also seen there among the organizers. We could not observe the total solar eclipse from Kochi on 26th December 2019. This is the scene in which sun is maximum obstructed from our sight as seen from Kochi. Since the moon and earth are moving in their orbits continuously, as the moon moves away from the straight line joining the sun and earth, we now see more and more of the sun. In the mirror also we can see the reflection of the sun. Now the moon has completely moved away from the straight line joining the sun and earth, and so we can see the sun in its full. We have to wait till 21st June to see this extravaganza for our eyes.